Yeah, what's good, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and you are welcome right back to World Wave Radio, where we bring the word to you. So yes, so for those of you who know me, you know I constantly love looking for better ways to get the things that we do free. So today I'm going to be showing you 8 plugins that literally feels like stealing. So yeah, let's get right back into it after the intro. What? Welcome back to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. And yes, the first plugin on the list that literally feels like stealing. So I'm going to put these plugins in no particular order. I will let you know which ones are my favorites, which ones I really use, and the ones that, you know, I don't really use, that I don't really know how they work, but I have them. The number one on the list is Fresh Air by Slate Digital. So Fresh Air is kind of like a plugin that you add to anything, basically, to boost the highs, you know, to give it air, to make it airy, so to say. So the plugin looks like this, you know. Let me turn everything down. So you have just 2 knobs that controls basically how, or the amount of air that you are giving into the plugin. So yeah, you are giving into the signal you want to give. So let me try it out on these vocals here. Can you hear how it sounds? So let's introduce air right now. See the way it sounds before? Let's add air now. Yeah, so it brings out the crispiness, if you know what I mean, in the vocals. Yeah, so Fresh Air by Slate Digital. Definitely add this to your arsenal. Number 2 is another absolute game changer, especially for those of you on the budget. Maybe you're trying to get Serum and you don't have Serum. I have a best alternative for you. This one I don't really use because I have Serum. This is exactly the same thing if you ask me, and this has a ton of free presets that you can get online for people who create a preset, and you can get the free one. Allows you to do a lot of things. So let's listen to what the sounds that you have on Vital. You know, it comes pretty loaded with some sounds, and you have 3 oscillators that you can manipulate to anything you want. So you can even bring in your own shapes, you know, to do anything you want to do. So let's check out some more sounds. You know? I like it. Don't worry. I just wanted to see what that would sound like. Let me save this. I might use it for later. So yes, sounds amazing. You definitely want to check this out. So the next plugin is AudioBor Inner Pitch. So this is another alternative for Waves sound shifter. It gets the job done. What they advertised on the page is that it helps you to change a pitch without adding any artifact to it. So it keeps it as clean as possible. Let's see what they mean by that. Okay. So let's try to change the pitch. This one I've not really used. I have the sound shifter. I think this sounds better if you ask me. Let's go high. And then you can use the format to actually shape and dial in exactly what you want. And then you have some colorations that you can add to it. Yes, AudioBor's Inner Pitch, definitely check it out. You can use it. This is not the best use case. The best use case for me might be maybe I want to automate it to start a particular sample. Like, you know, if you have a sample going, let's say I have something going like, you know, you want to start a song, maybe 2 semitones or 3 semitones lower, then take it to the original key, or take it higher and bring it back to the original key. Any which way you want to use it. So the next one is Labs by Spitfire. They have some awesome stuff, awesome pianos. Awesome stuff. They have a ton of things that you can download from their library as well. You know, they have great sounding strings. Majorly, I use them for this orchestral type of thing. And then if you have space on your hard drive, you can download more stuff. They have tons of stuff. You can actually buy some sounds if you like, but the free ones are pretty amazing. Labs by Spitfire, definitely check them out. Yeah, so next is a plugin called Gameboy. So what Gameboy means is it gives you that vintage sound of almost all the Nintendos that we used to play back in the day. So it gives you like all those sounds so that you have them, and then you can use it to create something that sounds vintagey, if there's any word like that, you know. So yeah, let's listen to some sounds. Not bad, I like this. Yeah, so this you want to use for a lo-fi, you know, a lo-fi vibe. The interface has there's not a lot of things going on with the interface, but I'm sure you can definitely try this out on a lo-fi vibe, to be honest. Let's see what it sounds like with the drum we have. I tell you. Yes, definitely check out Gameboy. You can use the sounds, you can add more things to it to give you a different type of sound that you were not even planning to go for. And a ton of presets comes with it that you can always, you know, as usual, mess around to get the best, you know, from what you want. Yeah, so next on the list is Tomone. So Tomone is really a simple synth / kick plugin that allows you to design a kick. So instead of giving you a bunch of oscillators to mess with, it just has like an envelope that you can use to create whatever sound you see fit. Like that's one hell of a jam right there. Try this out, the link in the description as well. The next one is a must-have for any Afrobeats / lo-fi producer. So this one is called Keybay. You know, it's majorly for lo-fi, but I believe with the way it sounds, is something that can as well work properly for an Afrobeat artist. So an Afrobeat production. So see what I mean. You get. You know, well-rounded bass that sounds really good, has like few knobs that you can mess around with to get what you want. This is tone. This is the default one that comes with it. Then you have this force that introduces a little drive, and then you have this decay, the fast or slow decay. And then they have a bunch of presets too that you can use. This is the Afrobeat one. Let's not get carried away by, So yes, definitely check this one out. Link in the description. I got you. I went through, thick and thin to help you guys get this out. So if you find any of this helpful, come on, leave a like. Subscribe in the, subscription thing and whatever thing that they said that thing do downstairs. But if you don't like it, feel free to, stick around. Next time we might do something you like, or if you have it, feel free to share some other free ones. So I just had to pick 8 out of so many that I saw in order not to make this video over long, if there's any word like that. Yes, moving on to another plugin that I like so much, and it's new, by the way. It came out like a couple of weeks ago, but I don't know when you guys will be seeing this video. You might be seeing the video in 2024. It came out about 2 months ago. So yes, this is Memory by Cymatics. So yes, Cymatics, they are really going hard on their plugins, so they just released this. It's a chorus plugin called Memory. It adds beautiful effects to anything you put it to, majorly on pads, Okay, see the original one. When you add memory to it, it sounds like. See how well grounded it sounds. I like it, so Memory, they have a bunch of presets that you can use as well. Remember, it's a chorus plugin, so there you'll be able to hear the chorusy thing, but I think it does more than just, adding chorus to the thing, because sometimes you'll be able to hear some wobble effects that I know that's due to the rates and the depth thing it tries to add, but then it tries to give me some Origin vibe. Origin is another plugin that you guys can check out. It's free by Cymatics as well, but RC20 on steroids, to be honest. I like this, the distant memory. But then, this is me. These are just extra tips I'm just putting in there. I use this to add more colorations to whatever thing I'm doing. But that's not free. That's really expensive, by the way. But how I would use this is I will use it in a chain so that I just have it not too much. Yes, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy. All these plugins, you can use them in your workflow. Don't be restricted to how I use them here. Always, look for ways to morph things around. Go up and down, try to see how best you can use them to give you your own sound, that you can bring in your own sound. And don't just be limited to just using one of them. You can use, like this Cymatics, I can use 2, 3 of it, to get what I want. When you have it, do something, flip it, go again, reverse it, flip it. There's no rule to getting this thing done the proper way. You just have to figure out how it works for you. So yes, with all that said, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next class. Love.